Alright, friends, I am going to go over the Lesson 5 problem set. This lesson is all about comparing numbers and ordering numbers. So as you can see, I already labeled the place value chart just to save some time, starting with ones on the right side and going up, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, millions. Okay? Label the units in the place value chart. Draw a place value disk to represent each number in the place value chart. Use less than, greater than, or equal to compare the two numbers. Write the correct symbol in the circle. So the first number we're comparing is 600,015. So I'm going to look at each digit at one at a time. So the 6, that's in the hundred thousands place. Okay, it's 6 digits over. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's a 6. So we're going to put 6 dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's nothing here in the 10,000s, nothing in the thousands, nothing in hundreds until we get down to tens. There's 1 there, and there's 5 ones. Okay, now for this number, 60,015. This 6 starts in the 10,000s place. We're going to put 6 dots here. Nothing here, nothing here. 1 10 and 5 ones. So when we compare numbers, we're going to start on the left side, right? And we're going to see which number is the highest. So this one's super easy because it's only 5 digits, and this one's 6 digits. The 6-digit number is going to be bigger than a 5-digit number. As you can see here, it has 6 in the 100,000 spot. These are 10 times bigger than the 10,000 spot, which they have 6 here. So the 100,000s are going to be bigger, greater than, pretty easy. All right, next one, 409,004 and 440,002. So the first one here, that 4 is in the 100,000 spot, so put 4 dots here in the 100,000 spot. Nothing. 9 here in the thousands. Nothing, nothing. 4 in the ones. All right, now here we have 4 also in the 100,000s, so 4 here. We have 4 in the 10,000 spot. Nothing, 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 2 in the ones. So comparing these, I'm going to look at, they both have 6 digits, okay, so that's the same. I'm going to look at the front number, 4, 4, same here, 4 and 4. That's the same, so that doesn't help us. So then we have to go to the next digit to the right. 0, 4. As you can see here, 0, 4. Well, 4 is more than 0. That means this number has to be bigger than this number. Okay? So that means the alligator mouth, or whatever you want to call it, is opening to the bigger number. That would be this number right here. All right, compare, I'm on 2 now. Compare the two numbers by using the symbols less than, greater than, or equal to. Write the correct symbol in the circle. All right, so we got to compare these numbers here. This one should be pretty obvious because look at this. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have a digit all the way in the 100,000s place. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This digit's in the 10,000s. So we know 100,000s is more than 10,000. So we're going to go this way. Okay, next one, we have expanded form, and we're comparing that to word form. So I'm going to write both of these in standard form so we can compare them a little easier. So this number here, 500,000, so 5, 80,000, 8, 9,000, 9, comma. Then we have a 1 in the hundreds place, and then nothing in the tens, nothing in the ones. 589,100. Here we have 580,000. Okay, so the thousands is where the comma goes. So 580,000. 901. 901. Okay, so let's compare these numbers now. They both have 6 digits. Okay, that's the same. They both start with a 5. That's the same. They both have an 8 next. That's the same. This one has a 9 in the thousandths place. This one has a 0. That means this one has to be bigger than this one. Okay? See how you just go down the line? First, check how many digits there are. If they're the same, then just start at the left side and check each number one at a time. Alright, this number's in standard form. We'll leave that alone. We'll turn this number into standard form. 900 thousands. So we're going to start with a 9 in the 100,000 spot. 8 thousands. Well, that skipped from here to here. That means there's a 0 in the 10,000 spot. 8 in the 1,000 spot, comma. Then we have 900s, 3 10s. 900s, 3 10s, and it doesn't say any 1s, so 0 in the 1s. So let's compare that now. 908,930, 908,930. Same thing. They are equal. Okay. Then the last one down here, 900s, 5 10,000s, 9 1s. Okay, so here what they're trying to do is they're trying to trick you. They're putting this out of order. 900s, 5 10,000s, 9 1s. They're not putting it in order. They're making it hard for you. Then 6 10,000s, 500s, 9 1s. So let's start with the biggest. 5 10,000s. That's bigger than the hundreds and bigger than ones. So 5. Do we have any thousands? No. That would be a 0. Comma. We have 9 in the hundreds place. 9. Do we have any tens? No. That's a 0. Any ones? Yes, 9 ones it says. So 9. Okay. 50,909. Over here, 6 10,000s, 500s. This one's at least in order, so it's a little easier. So 6 10,000s. 6. Do we have any thousands? No, so that would be a 0, comma. We have 500s. 5. Do we have any tens? No, that would be a 0. 9s, yes. I'm sorry, 1s, yes. 9. Okay, so 60,509, 50,909. Well, they both have 5 digits, but this one is a 50,000. This is 60,000. 5 and 6. What's bigger? Obviously a 6. So we are going to open it this way. 50,909 is less than 60,509. Let's flip to the back. Alright, use the information in the chart below to list the height and feet of each mountain from least to greatest. Then name the mountain that has the lowest elevation in feet. Okay, so we have all of these numbers here that we have to compare. We're going to find the smallest one. We're going to go from least to greatest. So they all have 4 digits. So I have to look at the first. Okay, 4, 5, 4, 4. So the 4s are the smallest so far. Let's look at the next one. 3, 9, 2. Well, the 2 is the smallest here. So that means 4,240 has to be the smallest. So I'm going to start by writing that. Okay. I'll put feet behind it because it is labeled. Okay, so we did this one. Now we're comparing these 3. This one is obviously the biggest because it starts with a 5. So between these two, 4, 3, 4, 9. Well, the 9 is bigger than the 3. So the 3 is the next smallest. So 4,340 feet. And then obviously between 5,000 and 4,000, we know 4,000 is less. So we're going to do 4,960 feet. And then 5,344 feet. Okay, so we put them in order, least to greatest. Then it says name the mountain that has the lowest elevation in feet. Well, which of these has the lowest? That would be the 4,240 feet. So the mountain with the lowest elevation is going to be this one, which is Slide Mountain. So we would say Slide Mountain. That sounds like a fun mountain. I wonder if there's a water slide on it. That'd be awesome. Slide Mountain, restating it, has the lowest elevation. In feet. Oops, there you go. All right, number 4, arrange these numbers from least to greatest. 8,002, 2,080, 820, 2008, 8,200. Okay, so start with the number with the least amount of digits. That's this one, 820. Just gonna mark it out so I don't have to think about it anymore. I'll put a comma. All right, next one. I'm gonna look at they all have 4 digits now, so I'm looking at the first number. 8 is bigger than 2, so it can't be those two. It's between these two for this next smallest. 2, 2, 0, 0, that's the same. 8, 0. This one is gonna be bigger than this one, right? So this is gonna be the next one we write, 2008. Now I'm realizing these commas are gonna make things confusing, so I'll put a little slash mark. That way you can see between the numbers and the commas won't make things confusing. No, that's the one I want to get rid of. Okay. So now we already know that this has got to be the next smallest, 2080. Right? So mark that out. Now the two 8,000 ones. 8,000, this has 0 in the hundreds. 8,000, this has 2 in the hundreds. So this is going to be smaller. And then this one here. Okay. Right, same thing. Oh, actually not the same thing. That's why we got to read closely. It says arrange numbers from greatest to least. So now we're trying to get the biggest number first. Okay. See, if you just kind of glanced over this real fast, you could easily make a mistake there. So obviously we're going to look at the 6 digits, not this one. This is going to be the smallest, obviously. 7, 7, 7. Next has 2, 0, 2, 8, and 0. So this has to be the biggest one, right? 728,000. Okay, and then we knew that this one is next because 7, 0, 7, 2. 2 is going to be bigger. 720,800. Then of course this one, 708,200. And then the 5-digit one here, 87,300. Okay. Greatest to least. All right, last one. 1 astronomical unit, or 1 AU, is the approximate distance from Earth to the Sun. The following are the approximate distances from Earth to nearby stars given in AUs. All right, I'm not going to read through all of these, but here are the numbers, and here are the stars, the star names. So we're going to compare these. It says list the names of the stars and their distances in AUs in order from closest to farthest. So the smallest is going to be the closest to Earth, right? Smallest. So basically smallest to greatest. Okay, so I would start by looking, okay, they're all 6 digits, it looks like. So let's look at the first digit, 2, 2, 6, 3, 5. It's got to be one of these two, 7 or 6. Well, it's got to be this one. This one because the 6 is smaller than the 7. So 268,269. Cross that out. Then this one, 275,725. I'm trying to go fast because I'm running out of time. I got to get this under 15 minutes. Then the 3 here is going to be the next, 377,098. Then the 500 is less than the 600. And this is last, 665,282. And then you could write the names of each next to them if you would like. And you could label them AUs. I'm just going to leave it like that for now because I'm out of time. All right, thanks for following along with me, guys. Have a good day.